Hi, my name is Maria Jose Perez Peña, and I will talk about intuition, magic, and boundary objects. The importance of change. In organization life, change is often part of everyday life, considering the constant shifts in markets preferences. So the capacity to adapt is essential. When we are in an organization and we want to make solutions, we have to interrogate a lot of questions. For example, what to do in a situation like this, where established structure seems to be scrambled before our eyes, create a working group to formulate new manuals, adhere everyone's original plan hoping that the coronavirus will magically disappear, or going to magic and intuition. So when I am referring to magic and intuition, I am not talking about the exotic meaning. I am talking about more all the experience and knowledge that we know because of all awful experience since we were little. Magic is built through what people know, and magic and intuition can be wrong. One example in the ordinary life can be when we don't want to sign a contract with another person because that person doesn't inspire you trust or confidence. So your intuition says to you that you don't have to sign that contract. Then, very few people question the idea, the importance of have disruptive leaderships in their organizations. These leaders are those who drive change in company. They want to innovate products or change the strategy of their own company. Those who see things from a different perspective and see solutions where sometimes that are known or simply not appreciated by others. But in order to make decisions in these difficult times, we cannot rely too much in the historical experiences that we have. We should give more space to intuition, but how can we know if we have to follow or know our intuition? I think this kind of question is very important because to give a solution to this, we have to make decisions according if the solution is realistic or done based on your stereotypes. One way to solve this problem is the methodological inspire the concept of boundary objects inspired by Susan and James. This is a type of 360 degrees assessment that forces participants that works in an organization to distance their perspective and perception of the situations to another way by creating an organizational mapping so the actors themselves become aware of the situation in a new perspective so they can formulate a lot of new solutions on the organization. This can result to a leadership disruptive, but can also be part of a better communication or a better dialogue. Neutrality or frenetic skills. The text focuses on relationship between social sustainability and the lack of social skills in many cities. While I was reading the lecture, I understand this that while many people who work for the government all their lives only improve their technical skills and they forget the social skills. Whatever, like many officials, people use their social skills, and in the text, I understand like synonym of social skills to the term of phronesis. Phronesis is one of the three types of knowledgement. Phronesis is knowledge as practical wisdom, episteme, theoretical knowledge, and techne, practical knowledge. These skills are developed through all of our experiences in our lives, and sometimes these are underestimated or ignored in management. So, in the conclusion, I think it's very important to point out the importance of emphasize and using the three type of knowledgement in decision making in the organization, and this can also help with the idea of intuition and magic. Like for example, we have to promote the participation of collective group. For example, in our classes, we all participate and give our points of view, and we have to respect that all the people have different perspectives. So I think this is very important in organization to make solutions according to the different perspective using different techniques, using intuition and magic, and a lot of new techniques that in the organization and in administrations are very important. Thank you very much for your attention.